We started Sachidananda Nagara Nyaya-para Andolana because about 840 of us who have bought sites in this area for almost 15 years, we have been waiting to get legalized khatas from BBMP. But what has happened is, though there have been court orders since 2005, the BBMP officers have not been forthwith in giving us the khatas due to different reasons they give us, which has no legal basis. What we did was, in 2009, we went to Lokayukta and gave a complaint of what we call dereliction of duty. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾತಕ್ಕೆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ನಮಗೆ ಖಾತಾ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ವಿ. ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ asked BBMP, why you are not issuing khatas? Because according to the court order, all site owners must be issued khatas without any problem. So when Lokayukta asked the question to BBMP, the then additional commissioner, Mr. Medhumurthy, said, sir, we cannot give khatas because there is a Supreme SLP, that is a Supreme Court legal petition that is going on. So we really thought there was an SLP that has been filed by BBMP. When Lokayukta asked for the number of the SLP, he gave a number that was 31578. When we went and discovered that this SLP was actually not from BBMP, but it was from another organization out of the state. When Mr. Santosh Hegde again wrote to Vedamurthy asking for the correct SLP, he gave another number called 33578. We again discovered that was another wrong one. Then Lokayukta actually passed a directive which said all site owners must be issued khatas legally. ಅಂದರೆ ಆ 2355 ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ 2005 ಆ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅದು ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಹ ಅದು ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ 2355 ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲ 840 ಸೈಟ್ ಓನರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಖಾತಾ ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಅವರು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಆದರೆ ವೇದಮೂರ್ತಿಯವರು ಖಾತಾ ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗೇನಾಯಿತು, ಈ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ವೆಲ್ಫೇರ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ, ಸುಮಾರು 100 ಜನ 35 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಪರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫುಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 50,000 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ RW ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಖಾತಾ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೋದರು.
So many of the citizens of this layout have followed the process of paying some money based on the plot size, and that's how they got their khatas.
I would say, as far as we know, about 100 to 150 people have paid some money to the Resident Welfare Association in order to get the khatas. The reason we know this is, on July 12th, about 85 of us actually took a memorandum and went in front of the Joint Commissioner, Mr. Ramchandra. The reason Mr. Ramchandra got this job was, on May 7th, Santosh Hegde, Lokayukta chairman, had summoned Mr. Vedamurthy to come in front of him with all the documentation. May 7th ಅವ್ರು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. May 6th ಅವರು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೊರಟೋದ್ರು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಸಮನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿದ್ರೆ he had to answer a lot of questions to Mr. Santosh Hegde. So May 7th ಇಂದ July 12th ತನಕ Mr. Ramchandra did not take any action. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು about 85 of us, we went, presented a memorandum. Then he promised us, and he also came to Lokayukta and promised us that he will issue khatas according to 2355 court ruling. But what happened was, on 15th and 16th of July, all the people who had paid money to the RWA, they got their khatas immediately. However, we 120 people that had submitted on 19th of July did not get the khatas. On 19th July, as soon as we gave the khata papers or the khata applications, in the evening, MLA of our area, Mr. Srinivas, gave a letter saying, please stop issuing khatas in Rajarajeshwar Nagara, particularly Sachidananda Nagara.
On
This-
what grounds can a MLA write to a corporation? Does MLA have a jurisdiction over the khata issue?
MLA has no jurisdiction regarding the Khata issue because the Khata is a court order and an executive of a BBMP must follow the court order. Instead of him following the court order, he said, Sir, MLA ಈ ಥರ ಕಾಗದ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಖಾತಾ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. So what we did was we went to BBMP Commissioner, Mr. Siddhaya. Mr. Siddhaya was very upset that such a thing is happening. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಫೋನ್ ಎತ್ತಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಮ್ಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ರಾಜರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ನಗರಕ್ಕೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಖಂಡಿತ ಖಾತಾ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು. About 2 days later, he issued few khatas and sent khatas to 2 people by speed post. ಅದು ಯಾರು, ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಉದಯ್ ಶಂಕರ್ ಅಂತ ಸುಮಾರು 1 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ RTI ಮೂಲಕ ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ ಮೂಲಕ ತುಂಬ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಟು ಶೋ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಲೀಗಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಖಾತಾಸ್ ಲೀಗಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ BBMPನವರು ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಖಾತಾ ಫೀಸ್ ಸಹ ತಗೊಳ್ದೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. ಆದರೆ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಉದಯ್ ಶಂಕರ್ ಒಂದು ಓತ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾವು 120 ಜನ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಖಾತಾ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಖಾತಾ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ 120 ಜನನೂ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಖಾತಾ ತಗೋತೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರು ಆ 2 ಖಾತಾನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ.
Wow, so they rejected their khatas, citing that they will not accept it unless every one of you get it.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು 2355 everybody should get khata. There is no preferential treatment to those who have CMC khata or those who pay money. There are no preferential treatments under the court of law. Therefore, everybody must get it. When we went and submitted this again to Lokayukta, they again directed Mr. Ramchandra to issue khatas. But ivaga ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, for the last few weeks, they have been giving different reasons to postpone issue of khata. Then we also discovered April 16th of 2010, ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟಿಂದನೂ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ. ಏನು, ಖಾತಾ ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಸಚ್ಚಿದಾನಂದ ನಗರ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಸೈಟ್ ಓನರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಅದನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅಬೌಟ್ 100 ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್ ಗಾಂಧಿಗಿರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ BBMP ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ. ಯಾವತ್ತು, ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ 16th ಗಾಂಧಿಗಿರಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇನ್ 48 hours ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಖಾತಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದು ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂತು. ಬಟ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ 29th ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ BBMP ಸಿದ್ದಯ್ಯ ನಮಗೆ ಖಾತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ 3 ದಿವಸದಿಂದ ವಿ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಆಫ್ ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಎ ಮೆಮೊರಾಂಡಮ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ he said Supreme Court ruling is the ultimate order in our country. If people are not following Supreme Court order, it is close to contempt of court. ಅದರಿಂದ they asked us to go to Supreme Court.
So is that the way forward? What are you guys doing in the Andolan to take this forward?
You see, the way we look at it is, when there is a court order, a bureaucrat must execute the court order. It is not for a citizen to spend money to go to Delhi, file a contempt of court. All that is not necessary. So what we have done now is, we have taken support of few organizations. Lok Satta Party of Karnataka, which is anti-corruption movement, Citizen Action Forum, as well as Coalition Against Corruption. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. We will continue to fight for legal implementation of the Supreme Court order. So I request all of you who are watching this video to please come and join and fight for justice with us.
You have a website?
Yes, Nyaya-para Andolana.org ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ವಿಷಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್.
Thank you, Dr. Shankara. We wish you a lot of success in this inspiring citizen movement. I hope this will become a role model for many other such things going forward.
Thank you very much. And I think every one of us in our country must take immediate action to fight bureaucratic activism and bureaucratic